The EcoFlow Delta 2 Max, a portable power station that's completely changing the way we think about energy on the go. Imagine holding a piece of high-tech, robust, and sleek equipment that gives you power right when you need it, whether you're at home, on the road, or out on an adventure. Get ready to see how the EcoFlow Delta 2 Max can totally transform your energy game. Let's kick things off with that first unboxing moment. When you open the box, you immediately realize you're looking at a high-end product. At first glance, you might think it's something basic, but nothing could be further from the truth. Every detail is crafted for quality and elegance, from the finish to its sturdy construction. Just remember, it weighs about 50 pounds, so handle it with care to avoid any back strain. Inside, you'll find all the essentials: a cable for your vehicle, a charging cable for your home, and even the cables needed for connecting solar panels. Everything's set up so you can get the most out of your EcoFlow Delta 2 Max right from the start, whether you're at home, on the road, or out adventuring. Right on the front, there's a display that shows all the key info from the runtime based on your current power draw to the remaining battery percentage. This is super handy for knowing exactly how much juice you have left. Below that, you'll find several USB ports, 2.0, USB ports 3.0, and USB-C for charging your phone and other devices. There's even a button to turn these ports on or off as needed. And just below that, you have the main power button to turn the unit on or off. Now, on the back, check out the top panel where you see the charging options. On the left, there's an input for charging via solar panels or your vehicle. On the right, you've got another input to plug into your home's electrical outlet, which can charge the unit up to 80% in just 50 minutes. A bit further to the right, there's a switch for fast charging mode, followed by another switch for overload protection. Down at the bottom, there are multiple output ports for hooking up your devices, along with a switch to turn these outputs on or off, and even a dedicated port for your vehicle. Remember, all these outputs can be used at the same time, as long as the total draw doesn't exceed 2400 watts. And to keep everything running cool, the built-in fans circulate air to maintain an optimal temperature, making it much quieter than a traditional gas generator. Another cool feature is the mobile app. Thanks to Bluetooth connectivity, you can pair the unit with your phone and access a ton of settings and info. You can check detailed stats on charging and discharging, including input and output data, plus an estimated charging time, much like what you see on the display. Now comes the exciting part, the live demo. Let's show you just how versatile the EcoFlow Delta 2 Max really is. I connected my camera charger, a tablet, a laptop, and a projector, and they could run continuously for 12 hours. Since it was a bit warm, I added a fan. Now I have 10 hours to enjoy my favorite movie. But if you're into gaming, you have to check this out. First, I turn on the monitors and then boot up the computer. Once it's fully started, it estimates about 12 continuous hours of use without any interruptions. I then shut it down so you can see how it calculates the energy consumption and remaining hours in real time. And of course, the kitchen setup couldn't be left out. I tested it by plugging in a rice cooker, a blender, and a device for cooking eggs. I turned them on one at a time and finally all together, and I was surprised to learn that I could keep cooking for 2 continuous hours. Definitely a bonus during power outages. And that's the EcoFlow Delta 2 Max. Powerful, quiet, and built for any situation. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more reviews, and check out the link in the description to get yours. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.